MiniZag Ultra. When it comes to a folding bike that is uniquely mechanized, the MiniZag Ultra is the first highlight for everyone. MiniZag Ultra uses world-leading folding technology that makes it portable and powerful and reduces the width up to 25 cm on folding. It is advanced designed folding bike with lightweight materials weighing around 15 kg and can carry up to 95 kg. It can be driven like a regular bike using pedals and can be assisted with power as well, or can be driven as a complete e-bike. It offers a maximum range of 55 km with a top speed of 25 km per hour. Other patented features include a two-wheel suction device, double fork support technology, and double-strand cushion bike seat design. The approximate starting range of MiniZag Ultra is $599. Voltitude V1. If there is any bike that uniquely features the easy fold mechanism, then it is none other than Voltitude V1, which is a fold-up pedal assist electric bicycle. The complete body of Voltitude V1 along with the battery can be recycled. It is designed with minimal dimensions and can be folded or unfolded within 1 second using only one hand. Its integrated 7-speed rear wheel transmission allows the gear to change even when stationary. It features a 250-watt motor along with a 36-volt lithium-ion battery, giving a range of 40 km with a maximum speed of 25 km per hour. Other features include hydraulic disc brakes, mud guards, front shock absorber, etc. The approximate price of Voltitude V1 is $5,465. Flit 16. When it comes to a brand new generation of folding e-bikes, Flit 16 fulfills its all requirements. It can be folded within 10 seconds with a few steps and can be rolled along with the train or even inside a home. It features a 220-watt rear hub motor for pedal assist, offers better acceleration at steep hills, and gives a top speed of 25 km per hour using 5 power levels. These power levels can be controlled via 3 soft buttons given under the screen. A removable 36-volt lithium-ion battery gives a range between 30 to 50 km. A customized built-in suspension system ensures a smooth ride. The approximate price of Flit 16 is $1,999. Clive Sinclair Bike. The world's lightest and most compact electric bike of 2015 is the Sinclair Foldable A-Bike. The uniqueness of this bike is the wheels with 13 cm in diameter. It also features a fast folding mechanism, including a motor in the front wheel that assists power when the rider starts pedaling. This motor assists powers in detecting its requirement through sensors. When the rider is climbing a hill, the motor delivers more power, so pedaling becomes effortless. The electrical assistance gives a range of 15 miles with a top speed of 12.5 miles per hour. When folded, it weighs around 5.7 kg and can be easily carried anywhere. The approximate starting price of the Sinclair A-Bike is £399.99. Patrolman Bike. Patrolman Bicycle is a futuristic conceptual two-wheeler designed like an iPod on wheels and is completely electric and eco-friendly. The design of the bike represents a bulky battery pack. It features an inbuilt GPS, a plug-in port, and a battery indicator. It is an urban cycle design that makes use of futuristic solar energy charging stations. So I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Comment below which folding bike you like the most. Stay tuned for many such videos.